Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is the return to our Tabletop Miniature Makeover series. It's episode number 7. We're going to be doing some touch-up paints and improvements on the ASOIAF Martell Set. First off, we've got these Starfall Nights. I painted them with this gloss clear coat and it's really bugging me, so we'll get those cleaned up. I'll repaint the bases to match the other bases as well, and I'm just going to matte paint these with a clear coat. And then for the rest of the miniatures, there's tons of details and touch-ups to do on them, so we'll kind of go through those one by one. Well, let's get into this. We'll get these into the spray, and then we'll start painting the minis. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so the idea behind this series is we take minis that we've gotten tabletop ready and then we kind of touch them up, try to make them look a little bit better so that you can see these are painted. But I'm going to add some straps, add some points to them, add some washes. First up, we're going to get these Starfall Nights out into the to get sprayed. I'm going to hit them with this flat clear coat instead of that gloss clear coat. That'll make them look a little bit better on the tabletop. I think these look much better with a matte finish. They look great. I also got the black base paints. So I'm going to go into one by each of the different unit types. I'm going to start doing some paintings on those. For example, here we'll start with the spearmen. The spearmen are looking pretty good. I got to fix their pants, get some washes on them, maybe some more highlights around some of their robes. We're going to hit the pants with this brown. Boots and pants we'll be doing next. I've been using this light green as kind of an accent color across all of them, whether it's the the scarf on the spear or some extra robes. I'm going to be coloring these arrow feathers on the skirmishers here. Pontus Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. You can pick up the 6 volumes of August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo's Cat journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. You can get them as individual issues or as the entire omnibus edition. Check out our podcast channel, Pontus Fathom Press, for our podcast series with the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, as well as Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, where we deep dive into what makes Frank Herbert's classic saga resonate with us. We've also got sci-fi and horror like the Quantum Locksman Saga with Dead Sons 11, the Bogman Saga with Killing with Bogman, and the Tales of the Yellow Sign with Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign. You can sample all these books on our Patreon or on our podcast channel, including The Artificial Psychology of Desiring Machines, collected together also in a hardcover edition. Finally, we're excited to announce our Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands saga, each volume taking place in another one of Lovecraft's Dreamland cities. Aimless takes place in the city of Cellophase, Hope's Home in Dalathene, Stubborn Devotions in Thrawn, Beloved, Believed, Bedealed, and Lost Carcosa. Each volume is coming out throughout the year and into next year. And let's get back to our content. Thanks for watching. Next up, we're going to go one by one and do some washes across these. I am going to hit them all with just a Reikland Flesh Shade. Just try to get them a little bit more rustic looking and a little bit more finished. I've let the washes dry a bit, so kind of go through these one by one. I like these touch-ups I've done on these, giving them a little bit of extra detail. I've added some more browns, I've added some more highlights, some scarves. Used the wash to really make the minis pop a bit, but without going too crazy with the detail. As you guys know, I'm not really a super detailed painter, but they look much better. Looking forward to getting these on the board. I'll take you out with some flyby hero shots. Thanks for watching. Check out our Patreon. Check out our gameplay. We've got tons of seasons of A Song of Ice and Fire. Lots of miniature painting out there. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see us do next, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.